A couple of you requested me to do some eggless recipes, and I'm super excited because we're going to be making eggless pancakes. Pancakes are my favorite when it comes to breakfast or brunch because they're very filling and delicious. For the recipe, you're going to need a few ingredients which you're going to find listed in the description box down below, and it's going to be a very simple recipe. Into your mixing bowl, you're going to be adding in your wet ingredients, and I'm going to start off with my milk. I'm going to be adding half a cup. Next, I'm going to be adding in vanilla essence, which is going to add in tons of flavor to the pancakes. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and then next we're going to be adding in the dry ingredients. So I'm going to start off with my sugar, salt, baking powder, half of my all-purpose flour, and using a wooden spatula I'm going to stir in, and then I'm going to be adding in the rest of the flour. Scrub the bottom of the bowl to make sure all the dry ingredients are getting fully combined with the wet, and this is the consistency that I'm looking for. And if the batter appears to be lumpy, don't panic at all. The batter is ready, so don't overmix. At this point, you're going to place a skillet or a non-stick pan over medium flame. I'm going to spread some cooking oil. When your pan is ready, you're going to add in your butter. Using the same cup to measure out your butter is going to give you even pancakes. So you're going to cook your pancake for around 30 seconds or until you notice small bubbles on top. Then you're going to flip and cook the other side for around 30 seconds. Don't spread the butter in the pan because you need some tall and very pretty pancakes. I'm going to flip and let the other side, and just look how gorgeous the pancake is looking. You're going to add in a teaspoon of cooking oil, and using your kitchen brush, you're going to spread the oil on the pan. Next, scoop out your butter and add in the pan. Once you're done adding in the butter in the pan, don't spread because you need the pancakes to be tall. Remember, we added in some baking powder, which is going to help the pancakes to be very fluffy. I'm going to use my spatula and run it around the pancake. Flip. In a matter of around 5 to 10 minutes, we'll be done making your eggless pancakes, and they'll be looking so gorgeous. The pancakes will be soft, fluffy, not too sweet, but you can add in some honey or maple syrup to your pancakes and enjoy your breakfast or brunch. So I hope you'll be giving this recipe a try because it's very easy to prepare.